title this one, sitting on the side porch waiting for lightning flashes. I said you got to
title this one. I caught it after you said it. It took a minute to click in my head. Lightning behind us, to the left, to the right, whatever direction the crap you're facing. I don't know. Over there.
Yeah, that would be your right. Yeah.
Okay, to the right. Well, unless you're facing the house, then it's to your left. The street side.
Don't confuse yourself.
I'm already confused. My dad always told me I was a blonde in disguise. I'm the ditziest black-haired brunette he knows.
Who is that?
Huh?
Is that Toby?
Damn it, and there's a car coming.
Maybe one of Toby's kids. Hi, Toby.
Toby!
Don't be shy.
Didn't he just run back across the street, back by the bushes?
He's going back by the building, yeah. See the bushes back there.
I got him. I followed him in the yard, even though I wasn't too sure if the camera got him.
Yeah.
But I followed it in the street light coming this way, and I followed it in the street light going back.
Cool. We got some proof that we actually see a fox. I'm surprised he's out in all this rain.
Must be hungry.
He came right where I laid the chicken leg.
Uh-huh. He knows we have food for him. I was trying to get you to quit talking. That's why I stuck my arm out like this, just to get you to stop. I was really wishing we had a flashlight, but I couldn't move to go get it.
It's the rain on the street.
I don't know how well you're going to see it. It's nighttime. I got it shining directly at.
It's pretty. It's like moon on the ocean almost.
In fact, the headlights of the car hit him when he was coming across the street.
Yeah.
And I had the camera on him.
Yeah, we'll see.
But the damn thing's not zoomed in. I have it zoomed all the way out to the lightning.
The two different colored lights with the crepe myrtle in the front and the water flowing across.
Yeah, the problem is it's all coming across green.
It's coming better on the PC. I mean, we're experiencing the whole storm here, right?
Plus, I'm keeping the spot where I saw Toby go. And he actually turned his head and looked when you said Toby.
Yeah. And he didn't immediately run off because he was standing here.
Yeah.
And I said, Toby. And then he went over there, and then a car moved. And About across the street.
I don't think Toby sees us as a threat. Toby sees us as a source of food. Because we throw chicken legs out here and I throw hamburger patties out. I threw one out today.
A scary source of food, but it's a source of food.
But eventually we won't be so scary if he familiarizes with us.
A lot of people probably think, she's that dangerous, all these rabid foxes you hear about. Nobody ain't rabid.
The scary thing is, people think I'm nuts for this shit. If it wasn't raining like this, I would walk over there with a piece of hamburger and try to feed it to Toby with a camera around my neck running.
Yeah.
And people think I'm nuts for doing this.
Oh, you're just adventurous.
I'm an idiot.
You're an adventurer.
I'm a dumbass adventurer.
I mean, you want to call Admiral Prairie an idiot?
Who?
Because he went to the North Pole?
Yes.
Thor Heyerdahl?
Who?
Thor Heyerdahl for trying to cross the ocean with a raft.
Okay, that is idiocy. Here comes the train. Well, as they're saying, they're flooding because the ground can't absorb any more water. We're in the middle of a drought. Bullshit. They're flooding because everywhere that's flooding is nothing but concrete.
The James River is still only halfway up. That is
The problem is, before the James River water level will go up, the water tables under the dirt have to go up back to where they're supposed to be and seep out into the James. We ain't getting too much rain. We're getting the exact right amount of rain.
Even though it's been raining ever since yesterday, they're still saying they got mandatory water control.
Yeah, they got mandatory water restrictions because of the drought. There is no water. The water has not replenished.
The reservoir is still only halfway restored to its normal level.
And it's going to take a lot more of this rainfall coming down, just like this, to completely restore it. You know, I got Toby as he was coming across, so I got him when he was still way over there, walking in the light and starting to come across the street when the car started up this way. I was getting him when he was still way over behind on that big lot of green.
Well, this is an exciting video for some people. For a lot of people.
Do dogs see red?
Not sure.
I think red's one of the colors they don't get, right? Because if it's not, Toby probably ain't coming back tonight, but I think it'd be a good idea to keep one of our headlamps by the door. And when we're out here and we think we see him, only turn on the red.
Yeah.
Because car light startles him, so you know the white light's going to bother him.
Yeah.
And I don't want to do that. I want him to trust us. And I mean, he stood here for a good 5 minutes. What, a good minute, minute and a half? Good minute, minute and a half?
Oh, 1 minute.
We'll find out. I got the counter on here that'll tell us.